Yeah. Hi, everybody. This is Shirish Kulkarni, founder and CEO of Struth Consultech. I've been running this business consulting for last 5 years, helping small and medium businesses to grow. In this new initiative that we have called as Hatke Business Continuity, I am actually looking at talking to businesses who have done some different work in the current context of challenge due to virus outbreak and found out a different way of running their businesses or some portion of businesses which will ensure the business continuity and most importantly the morale and continuity from the mind's point of view for the owner and the business. So today we have Ravindra Singh Bhatia, who is heading Ravindra Logistics last more than 40 years, and he has some different experience that he wants to share where he has done something hatke, and we are fortunate to have him. So Ravindra Singh Bhatia, over to you. Why don't you introduce yourself and talk about what are the aspects of your business and how you have seen the challenge and looked at overcoming it. Over to you.
Sure, Shirish. Thank you very much for introducing me. Hi, everyone. I am Ravindra Singh, and we are running our company into road transportation, who is into road transportation and working more than four decades, as Shirish told you. The situation is that we were already working comfortably with our big infrastructure and a big number of fleets to our high profile clients in pharma industries, food industries, and poultry industries, and a long relation with them of 10 to 12 years was a sort of a feedback that we are serving them in the right way. So currently, when the situation had arisen, this lockdown situation had arisen, so everyone was worried now how to work from home, since we are into industry which requires physical presence, interacting with the field workers and task force, that we have to be very interactive with our customers on daily basis. So the situation was, the first priority was to the safety of our staff's health. So there's no doubt that we had to get back to our homes. And the thought was that now how to execute this thing. So first week was really, we were into training sessions. We were taking training sessions with staff online and making them aware of we were giving them some skills. Mm-hmm. So within a week, we realized that we are able to serve our clients from home. Now, how did this happen? Actually, we had put a lot of energy and this thing in our infrastructure. We have put a lot of energy in implementing technology and systems at their places. At some time of point, we thought that whether it will be useful for our industry. But yes, today I can say that these things were very useful. Looking at in the time of demonetization, in this time of lockdown period, we were able to serve our clients.
So you had something like the ERP or CRM already implemented?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yes, we had implemented ERP systems and CRM systems. So it is because of that, Shirish, like we were able to do that. And we don't have to communicate with our staff on daily basis. We have a Scrum meeting once in a day, and we just go ahead with all the challenges, what are to be done, what is the status of the work, today's status of the work. So these are the things we discuss.
So Scrum as such is a concept from information technology world and that industry where you have bigger projects getting run, IT projects getting run using daily Scrum, and you're talking about the Scrum getting implemented in a logistics company.
Yes, yes, that is a good thing.
Where did you get this idea from?
Actually, my daughter suggested me that why don't you go for a Scrum meeting on daily basis. Yeah, this was the feedback from her. So I just implemented it. Only the thing that I have done is I have implemented.
Right. So how do you see right now the operations going, and how do you see you recovering back, and whenever things are back to normal, what is the takeaway that you have for running the business maybe in a better way going forward?
Currently, things are going in a decent way, and like I can't say that we are giving our 100%, but at least the revenue generation or the serving of our clients, because it is limited to the essential goods commodities. So we are
Okay.
able to provide our services only to the people who are into such essential goods. Like pharma is there, food industry and poultry industry. These are some of the verticals that we are serving. And currently, I think we are able to provide 50% of the. We are able to utilize 50% of the efficiency, and we are able to serve them. But after coming back to the normal life, I think more things are to be implemented and more energy has to be put in the technology part. Uh, there are few challenges that I am facing currently, so I will try to overcome that once this everything comes to normal phase.
Mm-hmm.
This is how I am feeling.
Okay.
And on the personal front, Shirish, let me tell you that I am. I think that at least once in a day I can spend working from home. So
Oh,
this is the takeaway from my side,
okay.
and in that way I'll be able to give more time to my family. I will
So,
have my own time
right. So you're looking at least one day in a week after recovery that you will spend working from home remotely.
working from home. Yes.
Oh,
It
that's
will
a
be my
big.
own time, and I know that the my office can go without me, and everything is in its place. So I don't think that my presence is required. And this is a trial to move myself outside my office and uh, thinking more about taking Ravindra Logistics to another level.
So before this virus outbreak, did you ever think that you as Ravindra sitting outside the office remotely anytime you thought about it?
Never, never, never. This is a thing that I am feeling that it's something different. And now I am getting back whatever efforts we have done initially. So I'm getting back from technology, from systems, the energy that we have put to get all these things in their places.
Mhm.
So I am getting back something from that.
And looks like you are also spending some time for marketing, like creation of some kind of marketing material like jingle, something that you are doing on that front.
I am able to do that, and the new ideas, as my some of my friends from the technology sites are there. So I am trying to get their ideas how to implement that in the marketing side. So we are currently planning to have a jingle and make it live on Facebook, LinkedIn. So we'll just see what impact it makes.
All right. So you are going digital also. Digital media is a way that you are using in the current lockdown state, where you
Yes,
are still able to reach to the market and make a difference. That you are different, right?
right, right, right.
Wonderful. So, what is your maybe couple of lines of a message for the industry or entrepreneurs who think that this lockdown is coming out really bad on them? There's no way to do. So, what is the message that you have for this our buddies, our friends in the market?
The main thing, Shirish, if I go back and just think about it from 22nd of March, if I would have been doing nothing sitting at home, so I don't think I would have that optimistic that I'm currently today.
Oh
So,
wow!
there are many things that I am currently as good as I'm working from office. Secondly, I have new hopes because I have experienced my past, what I was doing, and I am able to do that currently. So I have a hope, like if I do it in a better way, so I can raise my bar. So this is how I feel that I can take Ravindra Logistics to another level.
Oh,
Whatever be the situation, so we will be ready for that situation.
oh, sounds a bit spiritual, right?
You can say that.
Wonderful, wonderful. So it's so nice to have you around, Ravindra ji, and it's a pleasure to meet a soul like you, and definitely inspiring for others to follow the footsteps that you have led down, where you've kept your composure, kept your focus, and doing the best that you could. So thank you so
Yeah,
much.
only message I just missed out. Like
Please.
I would suggest everyone to implement more technology and more systems at their places, and I think they will certainly give you back some results, positive results. So never think that technology is of no use. It will certainly make a lot of impact on your business, and that's what I want to say to everyone.
Thank you so much, Ravindraji.
My pleasure. My
Thanks for
pleasure.
taking out time and educating all of us. Thank you. Bye.